guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Victoria. So happy that you guys are here with me today. And for my first time viewers who are joining me for the very first time, welcome guys. So today I'm making one of the perfect meal for this weather that we're having. It is rainy outside and it's chilly and windy, so I'm making the perfect meal, which is soup. Nothing like a weather like this to just sit down with a warm bowl of soup and just enjoy it. So today I'm making a red pea soup. Now I love red pea soup. That's those red kidney beans and they're very hard, so I soak them overnight to just cut my cooking time in half because I don't use a pressure cooker. However, if you have a pressure cooker, you should use a pressure cooker. Cut your time like really much. So I soak mine overnight and I'm going to cook it. So today I'm having red peas with chicken, and when I make my soup I don't use a lot of food in it because it's soup. You want to enjoy the soup, and the good thing about soup, it is so low in calorie and high in vitamins and minerals and iron, antioxidants, all of it in one bowl. It's perfect to build our immune system, to fight off all the viruses and the cold and flu season, which is coming up right now. So let me begin by go ahead and prepare all my ingredients and show you all that I will be using today. So here are all my ingredients to make my delicious healthy red pea soup. So this is my peas. It's already soaked overnight, as I mentioned that before. Just cut my cooking time in half. And my chicken legs, these are organic chicken legs. And during my cooking in my peas, what I'm going to do is put this chicken leg in with the peas, and it's going to cook it down to the bone, like when you cook something in a pressure cooker. Next I have one Irish potato, and I have yam here, but this yam is way too big, so I'm going to cut it in half so I can just 3 slices out of it. And I have ginger powder, part of my seasoning, and cayenne pepper, part of my spice. And next I have over here my scallion, my garlic, and my thyme, and my carrots. And I also have fresh mint because I love putting fresh mint in my soup. And this is my vegetable mix that will go in the soup as well. So the last thing will go in the pot is the scallion and the thyme and the carrot, on my fresh mint, and my vegetable mix to just simmer the soup down and give it that delicious taste. The first thing that I'm going to put in my pot is the peas with around 3 bowls of water, or 4, depends on the amount of soup you want. And you can add more water to it during your cooking if you want more soup. And next, halfway through, I'm going to add my chicken legs so they could cook down to the bones. And after that, then I'm going to have my yam and my Irish potato and all the ginger and the cayenne pepper and my garlic. And you're just going to cook it. You're going to start cook, and after that, I'm going to add all these seasonings. So that's it. Let me begin. Okay, so the peas are half cooked. So now I'm going to add my chicken. So the chicken is already cooked and the peas already cooked. I'm going to throw in all the food that I'm using, which is not much. And let they cook. So now I'm going to cut up my carrots and my scallions and my garlic, and I will put them inside the pot next. rich. It was worth the time it took me to make it. I spent an hour making this soup, and this is a bean that I've soaked it overnight. Can you imagine if I did not soak it overnight? Well, if you have pressure cooker, no worries. It's not going to take you a long time, because pressure cooker, it's like when you speed something up. So now I'm going to taste. Guys, this is tasty, delicious. You do have a chance to make your delicious red pea soup as well. It is going, all my ingredients will be in my description box below, so always click on my description box. Now what I'm gonna do, I have enough soup to serve me. I'm gonna dish some out in a container, put it in my freezer, and let it stay there and just froze. So whenever I'm ready to have soup again, maybe a week from now, maybe 2 months from now, who knows? But my red pea soup is going to be in my freezer ready for me. So you can do that with your soup too. If you make enough, can last you, could just top some up and you freeze it, go. You know, this is full of, this is all your vitamins and minerals in just one bowl. That's just delicious and amazing to have. Now guys, this is all that I have to say for today. I cannot wait to see you on my next video. And don't forget now, just hit the like button and leave a comment below. I love comment, and please share my videos. I love when my videos are shared. And if you are new to my channel and you're not yet subscribed, please hit that red subscribe and hit the notifications when I upload new videos, which is 3 times per week. You will get a notification. I love you guys for spending time with me. I love you guys for watching my videos, and I love you guys for subscribing to my channel.